Hello everyone, Nafil again. On this lecture I would like to talk about the data culture. So what is the data culture is all about? It means whenever or whatever you are making any kind of decision, your decision should be supported by the data. So this is really very difficult job to get done, but whenever the organization create a culture to make data driven culture, that is really easy. Organizations are investing trillions of dollars to become more data driven, but only 8% successfully scale analytics to get value out of their data. This is a wonderful research report by McKinsey. So the point is, what separates the top performers from the rest? These are the questions. The idea is your system is not the most important thing. Like your software is is behaving like a calculator. So for instance, in whatever stock market you have investment, and which calculator you used, no one asked that thing. People asked your output, your benefits. So smart people who understand market, they can they can invest anywhere and they can make money out of it. For that thing, the data leaders, the market data practitioners, they have a new challenge to adopt this culture. So success comes down to culture. In data culture, people ask the hard questions and challenge ideas. They come together what a shared mission to improve the organization and themselves with the data. Leaders inspire through action, basing decisions on data, not intuition. This is the most important thing. In a data culture, your intuition is important, but this is not significant. You are relying 99% case on your data. That is the data culture. So in the data culture, it shares 5 common elements: trust, commitment, talent, sharing, and mindset. So in MSC 445, management of information systems, whenever we are learning Tableau, a business intelligence tool, why we are talking about these types of theoretical concepts? You guys may ask this question, but the point is, as an information system manager down in the road, you guys have to work on it. This is not just crunching data or just creating graph and chart. This is all about understanding your data, creating a platform, and asking very smart questions to that data set, so that you can figure out some types of questions, some types of answer of those questions, some types of knowledge from it. To build that thing, you need to parallelly consider these factors. First of all, trust. So people build high trust relationship with data. Teams encourage data access and transparency. Data governance instills confidence in data. Organizations set clear expectations from reasonable data use. What does it mean? It means the trust is something, it should be, it creates, it is not automatically, it is not given. Organization they need to practice trust culture. So whenever your data, you can see the data, whenever you have ability to ask question and to the data set, to the idea, only then when you can practice trust in the organization. So business intelligence team or data driven culture is possible when trust of the data is there. The BI team put a solid foundation of data governance in place first to make sure they got the most important metrics in everybody's hand. So see, the most important thing is getting the most important metrics in everybody's hand. What does it mean? It means this is not the business intelligence teams surely will work with ad hoc basis, but this is not all the time. Different teams, they come to the data set, and by using different types of tools and functionality, they will figure out their answers. Commitment. People treat data as a strategic asset. Now, globally, everyone is considering data as an asset. Executive don't just sponsor data driven behavior, they model it. What does it mean? This is a very profound statement. Different organization is different types. For instance, I know Elon Musk, he wrote a statement like, if anyone don't see the purpose of a meeting within 5 minutes, he may walk out. So what is the normal culture? In different culture, walking out from a meeting is treated bad, but the point is whether staying in the meeting and you are not adding any value, basically you are wasting your time. So it is a culture. So organization, whenever they make any decision, how the leader appreciate the data set, how they model it, this is the most important thing. The organizational structure reflects the value of the data. Analytics goals influence data collection and process. Then the talent is another most important component. The idea is you have computer, and in the computer you can do different types of activities. You can see music, and in the same time